Welcome to SecurityCameraKing.com. This is our brand new 3 megapixel IP network infrared varifocal motorized zoom Vandal dome security camera. This weatherproof network camera can record incredibly detailed video up to 3 megapixel or 2048 by 1536 resolution, allowing you to see even the minutest details of your video footage. It has a 2.8mm to 12mm motorized zoom lens, a 1/3 inch 3 megapixel CMOS image sensor, and an infrared view distance of up to 100 feet in total darkness. Inside the box you'll find a bag of screws, anchors, and an Allen wrench, an installation disc, a mounting template, and an instruction manual. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for all of our latest security products, demos, and tutorials.